continuing with our pandas tutorial. Sorry, I had to hold off the teachable machine and the Kaggle thing with the model which we had generated in the previous video. I was planning to use it to develop an Android app and an iOS app, but I am facing some issues on developing it and on the Android app. Yeah, once that is resolved, I will put out a video of how to integrate a TensorFlow Lite model with your Android app. But continuing with this pandas session, so first of all I want to show the DF would look something like this. So we have this data frame which we have read from a CSV file. Now if you want to set the index for payment ID, so payment ID is a column, so you would see that the payment ID comes on the second row. The first row does not collapses to the second row. The payment ID is deliberately on the second row because the set index property has been set to the payment ID now, and the other columns are mapped according to the payment ID. Now if you want the first row, you can do something like ILOC 0 if you want the first row, but if you want to specify the name of your payment ID, you need to specify LOC instead of ILOC. ILOC is only used for numbers. So if you want ILOC for the first first four, I think 0 1 2 3, then you could do something like 0:4. If you want to pass multiple values of the payment ID in LOC, you can do something, pass the list of the payment IDs. If you want to drop a particular payment ID, you can use the drop function. If you ILOC same as previous one, I am taking it inside a one row variable. Now I can append it back to our data frame, so you can see that same data has been appended twice. The first and the last data is the same. Now I'm again reading it from the CSV file just so that I could get the original data back. I'm printing out the first 5 elements using df.head. Then I want to print those a data whose total bill column value is greater than 20. So for now it will just display false true, but we need to pass it inside the data frame, which you can look at the bottom below here, which we have done. Then it will only give you those values whose total bill is greater than 20. See, similarly, if you want to only want data whose sex is male, then you can pass something like this data frame, then data frame sex equal to male. Similar, if you want to compare two conditions, then you can use the AND operator, like so if the total bill is greater than 20 and the sex equal to male. Similarly for OR as well, you will just use a single straight line. Suppose I want to add multiple conditions on a particular row. So suppose I want to use this day, and instead of checking multiple times if df of day equal to Saturday, or df of day equal to Sunday, or df of day, instead of that you can use the Asian operator. You can pass all the values which you want to compare, just pass those values inside the Asian operator. It will automatically give you the required values. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.